Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to this ClickFunnels video on how to get free funnels, guys. How to get free funnels every single week. A lot of people don't know about this. Oh, first of all, my name is Judd, and thank you so much for being here. But a lot of people don't know about this, and this is actually a website that Russel Brunson and Jim Edwards is the creator of Funnel Scripts, an amazing copywriter, funny guy. But Russell and Jim have gotten together and they do this episode every Friday. It's a live webcast or live video they do, and they post it on, what do they do? They put it on YouTube, they put it on Facebook, everywhere. And what they do is they build a funnel. So they take, users, ClickFunnels users that are having trouble with their funnel, and they pick one person every week, and they build their funnel for them live in under 30 minutes. And it is the coolest thing. And I can tell you right now, you will learn more from these Funnel Friday videos than any other training out there. It's pure gold, guys, pure value. It's absolutely free. And at the end of the video, you can download that funnel for free. And if you have a ClickFunnels account, it goes right up into your account. If you don't, it'll prompt you to start a ClickFunnels trial, a free 14-day trial. So I will put the link below where you guys can check out Funnel Fridays and get going on this. It's absolutely cool. I watch every single one and I learn a ton from these. So again, you can learn how to build the funnel in real time. You can also learn how to do the ad copy, which is really, really cool and super, super important. And then at the end of it, you can upload that funnel and make the changes and make it your own. So what you do is you go to, I'll put the link below, Funnel Fridays. And then in the link below, actually, guys, if you do check out Funnel Fridays, I'm also going to send you my free training as well, my ClickFunnels training for you to check out. So where it is, can we build your next funnel for you? And you can see here, it's got all, and you just put in your name here. It's got a little bit about Jim and Russell. But what I want to show you is cool here. So let's go into, so I'm already a member here. It's free, guys. Doesn't cost you anything. So it's a live episode. I don't want that. Okay, here we go. Past episodes. And of course, depending on what's going on, they may not be there this Friday. It might be next Friday, that sort of thing. But you can see here, look at all these different funnels. So people selling coconut oil, beauty products, membership funnels, health funnels, bridge funnels, perfecting police funnel. I don't know what that is. Soccer funnel. There's a guy who teaches your kid how to kick the ball better. Life coach funnel, bridge funnel, home security funnel, tennis elbow funnel, boom, boom, boom. Look at this. It goes on and on, guys. And at the end, now they're going to show you how to build it. They're going to show you how to write the copy. And then you click this button and you got a free funnel. All right. This is hands down. You can see here that my video is not uploading very quick, so you don't get to see the pretty pictures, but trust me, they're there. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to put a link below for you guys to check out Funnel Fridays, to watch all the different episodes. You're going to be able to download those free funnels. And also, when you do go through this link, guys, I'm going to give you my free ClickFunnels training. There we go. My free ClickFunnels affiliate marketing training, and also send you my free ClickFunnels and Facebook ads training. So here's all these videos, and they're pretty entertaining. You can see they're having a lot of fun here. Yeah. And Russell loves comics and all that. So it's definitely entertaining, guys, and you will get, I guarantee, more value from these than any other training out there. So check them out, enjoy, and please like, comment, and share. Take it easy.